Hey everybody, welcome to the front row. We're here at Universal Studios Orlando. We're going to go do some Mardi Gras stuff. And I don't know what else we're going to do. It's kind of a surprise, just kind of chilling. So let's go do some stuff at Universal. Have some fun, come along with us. So construction on the new Universal store. You see they got the lettering up over there. And the sign here on the corner. It's going to be so much bigger than the old one.
Hi, can we get an andouille twisted tater?
An andouille twisted taters. Let's try this. Stick potatoes. Look, that one poofed up. Got a poofy potato. And then a sauce. I gotta get a bite with everything. I'll be with you in a moment. So good. I love twisted taters as it is with the andouille sausage in the middle there. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Gonna need something to wash it down though. I think I've got an idea. Spicy Bloody Mary. Here, let me give it a taste. Oh, that's really good. Oh my goodness, that's really good. That's really good. And if you didn't know, they have extended Mardi Gras here until the 11th of April, I believe. So you still got a little bit of time to come down here and enjoy this fantastic food.
That's the carnitas. This is going to be the queso. And that's going to be the beef arepas.
Close enough. I always feel like a pig when I do this because I get to take the first bite out of everything that we eat. But I like it. Okay, so we're gonna try this thing. Oh my goodness, it's so gooey. It's so gooey and ooey. Gonna kind of hold it back here a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at that. You wish you had smell-o-vision right now. It smells so good. That is very good. It's like all of these are wrapped in that little like cornmeal thing.
Cornmeal cake.
It's very good. That one is quite tasty. Oh, by the way, this is all three food options from the Columbia booth. This is all three. They're all kind of similar, but with different like fillings and stuff. At least those first two were. This one looks like it's got avocado on it. Thanks, an avocado. But it tastes like some of the best like Hispanic or ethnic food you've ever like had from a theme park. Like this is like, if I went to one of my like Colombian friends' houses or Hispanic friends' houses and they served me this, I'd be so thrilled. This is really good. That this is the one. Whatever this one is, get this one. The one with the avocado on it. This is, man, these, damn you Universal, you're going to make me fat. But I like every minute of it. Holy crap, this is so good. Okay, you can have some, you can have some. Sorry, don't make me feel like a pig. So yeah, just got this GoPro Hero 8 with the little media mod attached to it. Hopefully the quality of the videos improves a little bit. I can record in 4K and 2.7 with this, so hopefully this is going to be a big improvement. So cross your fingers. Seems to be doing all right though. So yeah, it looks like we're heading over to Men in Black. I haven't ridden it in a minute. I haven't actually been here in a couple of minutes, so it'd be nice to get on Men in Black, see if my score's improved, or probably won't because I haven't ridden it in a while. But it'd be nice to see if it's kind of like riding a bike. I haven't been on it in a couple weeks, so it'd be nice to see if I can just like do it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on Men in Black and see what my score could be like. There she blows. Old Men in Black. Yeah, if you guys hadn't seen it, check out my last video. We went to Wonderworks. It was awesome, cool indoor thing. You don't get to, you don't have to be outside in the Florida sun. Pretty cool. Well, we're about to get in line for that beast right there. Go see if I can improve some score or at least get a decent score. Castilla. Rumor has it this one might be on the chopping block soon. Has been here a while, but with Disney's acquisition of Fox, now them owning Simpsons, it's kind of weird where Universal's in a position where they own 2 properties at the theme parks that Disney owns. It's very, very odd. This, along with Marvel Superhero Island on the other side. It's barely busy today. But King and Kodos has been up and running. So that one's back. Fast and Furious is back. Poseidon, I think, is the only ride that is not back up and running. Which is sad for me because I was kind of hoping that it'd get reopened. But as you see, it's kind of regular busy day today here. Yeah, so fun day today. It's nice. It's not too bad. Crowd levels aren't too bad.
Happy they're open late.
Happy they've started to open later now. Like tonight they're open till 9 p.m. and on the weekends they're open till 10. So Universal is at least starting to stay open a little later, which is very nice. But yeah, it's just nice to be out and about. Nice to kind of know that the BS of the last 4 years is about to be over. We're gonna get back to kind of business as usual. And that'll be nice. My prediction right now is by Horror Nights this year, I think that they'll have it without masks, but you may need to show proof of vaccination. Just something to keep in mind. But it's just nice to be out and about. And like I said, just kind of testing the GoPro out, seeing what I can and can't do with it. Look at that. Yeah, you see them float? They got such cool floats out and about. It's kind of weird because usually, like at Mardi Gras, they're out and about and there are parades. But this year, there is no parade. But you still get the floats. They're still throwing beads out to people. It still feels like Mardi Gras. Universal, I will tell you, out of all the parks in Florida through this whole COVID thing, I think Universal really set the bar really high. It's just why I had such a high standard when it came to the other parks. But Universal's really killing it. Could not be any happier or prouder to be a pass holder here at where the movies are made. At least I was in the 90s. Ride the movies, is that what it was? Yeah. Yeah, ride the movies. Ride the movies, don't get COVID. That should be their new slogan. Ride the movies, free of COVID. Test the GoPro inside and see what it's like. Design phone cases and stuff. That's really neat. Like I said, just kind of testing the limits of the new GoPro. If you look up in that corner up there, I'll give you a link to the one I went through with the Pixel 4a and recorded. We'll see whether or not this is any better.
the girls with the whitey boots on.
This is 60 frames. Maybe next time I come in, I'll shoot at 24 or 30. Like I said, just kind of seeing what it can do. You get a little pirate ship Moldomatic there. Eventually, I'm going to get one of those things. Yeah, you can see it's great. It's quite dark in here. Apologize for that. But like I said, just trying to test out the new camera. Oh, this is so much different than the last time I was in here. There's nobody in here. It's so much better. We're gonna get one of these sweet treats. So this is what we decided. We decided on one of the vanilla Mardi Gras cakes, which just looks super fun. And the surprise of the century here, for those of you who do not know, these macaroon donuts in the Tribute store are gluten-free. That's so fantastic. Off-camera wife is so happy that she's actually gonna be able to like get some, aren't you, babe? Super happy. All right, let's try these. Okay, cookies, cakes, and other sweet delights for Mardi Gras. Let's try this one. You know what we don't have?
Forks.
Utensils. I have no utensils, so this is going to be... Luckily, they just put a little piece on the end there that doesn't actually cut into the piece, because this is actually off-camera child's cake that I'm trying right now because I don't want the diabetes. If I eat the whole thing, I'll get the diabetes. So we'll try this part. Give me the diabetes. Holy moly, that is fantastic. It's like cinnamon. It's got like a cinnamon frosting in there. And it's a lot like the whoopie pie was for Christmas. It tastes almost, it has that same flavor profile. That is just kind of cinnamony and this is really, really good. And now I shall try a piece of macaroon donut. Oh, it's like fragile. It's super fragile. Super fragile. Here we go, here's a piece. Give me the diabetes. Oh my goodness, this is good. I gotta be done. I gotta be done. I gotta be done. This is really good sweets. I can't say enough that in this last year when Universal hasn't been open for as much capacity or whatever, they've really stepped their food up when it comes to like quality. I can't be more impressed. Good job, Universal. This is very good. Gotta skip past me to get the roller coaster.
Trying to involve the roller coaster.
Have your donut. So sorry about the quality change, but we're heading out. We had a good day. The GoPro died. I have no more battery. So that's why I got you on my phone. So thank you for joining us. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Remember, April 11th. It ends, Mardi Gras ends at Universal, so they have extended it. But be kind to one another. And remember, the front row, it's always worth the wait.